Well, a lovely period ball-shaped half-pint milk jug here by Royal Doulton. The pattern is called Temples. Got these Asiatic birds on the main decorative panel, and then this hand-coloured transfer print all the way around. All this colour on this decoration around the rim is hand-applied. I think this is a transfer print, the floral design on the back. Lovely, classic Royal Doulton shape, rich handle. The shapes just look so good when you get them in real life and close up. A little bit of antique pattern wear there. Just see where the gilt has just worn a little bit away from there. But this is quite early Royal Doulton, as you can see from the China mark on the base. E4901, I think, is the pattern reference, or 02. It's got it in the listing anyway, because it's almost worn away there, so I can't actually read what it says. A nice lion and crown period Royal Doulton mark. All the dates, dimensions, sizes and everything will be on the website, but this is a really beautiful piece of English porcelain china history from Royal Doulton. Ball shape, as you can see, it's almost the size and shape of a large tennis ball, really. That sort of dimensions in its roundness, but not quite round, but it's just lovely. Gorgeous shape on there. Very nice. We've got teacup trios in this pattern and the sugar basin that I'm just about to video now and show you. So do have a browse through on the website listings. Description links below will take you directly through to Vintage and Antiques, where we're listing this china for sale from the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching.